going to embed a Google Slide, Google Doc, a Google Form, Google Drawing. It's going to be the same process to upload that into Canvas. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So you're going to go to File, then you're going to go to Publish to Web. You want to publish it to the web, and then you want to embed because you want to be able, you want the students to be able to just pull it up on the Canvas. You don't want to have to worry about them being signed into their Google account or anything like that. So you're going to embed it. You're going to copy this document. Then you're going to go over to your course. I'm in the pages right now. This is just an example. I'm putting it as a page. If it's a discussion or if it's an assignment or a quiz, you can put it in that way, but I'm going to do it as a page. I'm going to go to welcome. Oh, I'm going to go to welcome. And then you're going to go up to the top, HTML editor, and you're going to paste that link here. You're going to save it. And then once you save it, it's going to come up and show you the picture or the document that you just uploaded. So since this is Google Slides, even if you have one side, this bar is going to come up. So to get rid of this bar down here, I'm going to go back up to the edit, back up to the HTML editor, and right beside where it says 3000, you're going to put and RM equals minimal, and then you're going to click save. So now when we go back and look at our Google slide, it is going to have that bar gone. And if you have multiple slides like I do, you're going to want to put a button or something to have the students know they need to keep going and citing. So that's how you get rid of it.